Hey everyone, in today's guide, I'm going to show you a step by step on how to buy games on your PS5 using the PlayStation gift card. Let's get started. First, from your home screen or from the PS5 home screen, scroll to the left and open the PlayStation Store icon. This is where you'll redeem your gift card and buy games. And before buying a game, you need to add a gift card balance to your account. Inside the PlayStation Store, scroll to the top right and select the three dots menu. Choose Redeem Code. Enter the 12-digit code from your PlayStation gift card and select Redeem. And you'll see a confirmation showing the wallet funds added to your account. Now that your balance is ready, browse feature or new release or use the search bar to type the game name. Select the game to open the product page. And on the game page, you can view the trailers, screenshots, and details. Select the edition or version that you want. And you can now buy using the wallet funds. Just press the price button and you'll be taken to checkout. Your PlayStation wallet balance will be used automatically and just select confirm purchase. If the game costs more than your wallet balance, you'll need to add another payment method for the remaining account. And after purchase, select download and the game will begin stalling. You can track progress from your dashboard, and once finished, you're ready to play. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.